I'm pretty sure you have heard about or you have seen details about Telegram similar channels. In this video, I'm going to walk you through all you need to know about Telegram similar channels. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notifications to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your Telegram. If you're on your Telegram right here, you can see there are other channels under these channels, right? So this is what they are called. They are called the similar channels. The similar channels on Telegram are basically those channels that do the exact thing you do, right? So there's a whole lot of niche here on Telegram. There's a crypto niche, the meme coin niche, the YouTube niche. Like there's a whole lot of wonderful and fantastic niche here on Telegram. So this is basically a meme coin channel, right? And the whole lot of other channels, other similar channels under it. I'll be joining right here. Are channels that drop meme coin calls, right? So this is what a Telegram niche is basically, and what you're going to do basically right now, you're going to click on this. If you join the channel, on the channel, you're gonna be getting a lot of crypto updates and alphas, right? So look down here, you can see there's still a whole lot of other core channels here, right? These are a whole lot of all of them. So these are Telegram similar channels. Telegram similar channels are channels that do the exact thing the channel does, right? So if you found this video helpful, or if you have any questions, let me know below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.